Welcome and thank you for joining me for our new body Latin vibes workout. You'll need light weights for this workout, please. No more than 1.5 kg, and I really hope you enjoy the workout. So right here, let's march. Ready? 4, 3, mambo, forward and back. So we take that forward and back. Yeah, fantastic. Shoulders back. And again, so just nice and easy movement today, a little bit of light load, and then we pick up as the week progresses, change legs, so we take that forward and back, and again, forward and back. So we take that 4, 3, 2, and then we take that across the body, so we go this direction, yeah, and again. And then we take that to the front of the room. Great. Then we take that to the side and back, Yes, again. 4 more to go. 4, 3, then we're going to come to a pause and do that all on the opposite leg. Hold, so we take that forward and back. Yes. Now we start to add in a bicep curl and back, yes. Again, brilliant. Then we go across to the corner with an upright row. Elbows go out to the side. 4 more, we take that 4, 3, 2, and we take that back to the front, back, and add a bicep curl with a twist. Again now. 4 more, we take that 4, 3, 2, now tricep kickbacks out to the side, so out and back, and again. Now if you're getting your legs and your arms in a twist, in a muddle, don't worry, I'm going to come back for you. We're going to do that quite a few times. 8 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, let's go back to the start, bicep curl, and again, brilliant, across the body, upright row, and again, to the front, bicep curl with a twist, 2 more, behind tricep kickbacks. Ready? Now the same thing, opposite leg, bicep curl. And again now. How's that feeling? Upright row. 2 more. To the side and back. And then a step touch. Fantastic. Here we go. Step touch comes forward. 4, 3, and then we mambo. Forward and back. Step touch travels back. 4, 3, and then we mambo. Okay. So step touch goes 4, 3, the mambo. Woo! Step touch back, and the mambo, step touch forwards, mambo, step touch back, and the mambo. So bicep curl and mambo, 4, 3, 2, upright row, across the body, 4, 3, 2, tricep kick back to the front with a bicep curl and a twist. Brilliant. Then we go out to the side and behind now. Step touch forwards, mambo, step touch back, But am I making your brain ache as much as mine? Step touch forward. You're going to tell me you're fine, aren't you? And again. Take it back. Again. Now relax the arms. Box step. Forward, forward, back. And again now. Tap change sides. 2 more. And again, right here. Forward, forward, back. 2 more to go. Lovely. Change sides. So you're just going to add in a little bit of arm work real soon. Here it comes. Tap change. Front raise. Front raise. Tap change. So it's every other one. And again. Ready? Mambo bicep curl. And again now. Across the body, upright row. 2 more. To the front, add a twist. Brilliant. To the side and back tricep kickbacks. Right, here it comes. Step touch. Mambo. Step touch back. How are we doing with that? Mambo. Step touch forwards. Mambo. Step touch back. And mambo. Box step. Rest one. Front raise. Rest one. Change legs. Front raise. Rest one. Front raise. Okay. Bicep curl. 2 more. Fantastic. Across the body, upright row. 2 more. Fabulous. To the front, bicep curl with a twist. Again. Fabulous. Out to the side and back. 2 more. Step touch lat raise. Mambo push overhead. Step back. Push overhead. Box step front raise. Rest one. Front raise. Rest one. Change legs. Rest one out. Front raise. Rest one out. Woo, bicep curl. 2 more. Excellent. Upright row. Twice more. Bicep curl with your twist. And again. Out to the side and back. 2 more. Step touch lat raise. Push overhead. Take that back. Push overhead. And then box step with the front raise. Rest one. Box step front raise. Rest one. Box step. And again. I know. Hold here with a box step. Ready? We change the move. We've got 2 steps to the side. So 2 steps. 1, 2, back. Yeah. 1, 2, and back. Weights. Oh. Now if that's too much, if the weights are a bit heavy, then keep the weight stand by your side if you've over-egged it a little bit. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and single step. Ready? 4 more, then we're going from the top. 4, 3, bicep curler mambo. Yes. 2 more. Excellent. Across the body, upright row. 2 more. Fabulous. Out to the side and back. 2 to go. And then step touch. Push overhead. Step touch back. Push overhead. Box step, front raise. Rest one out. Front raise. Rest one out. Change legs, front raise. Rest one out. Front raise. Rest one out. And then we take the 2 steps. Arms come up. Yeah. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, bicep curl, mambo. 4, 3, 2, upright row across the body, please. 2 more. Mambo with the curl, the twist, sorry. 2 more. And then to the side and back. 2 times. Step touch forward, lat raise. Mambo push overhead. Take it back. Push overhead. Fantastic. Box step, front raise. Rest one out. Front raise. Rest one out. Change legs. And again, rest one. Front raise. And rest one. 2 steps. And again. We're on the home straight now, folks. 4 more. 4, 3, 2 from the start. Mambo bicep curl. Last round. 2 times. To the corner, upright row. 2 more. Bicep curl with a twist. 2 to go. To the side and back. Twice more. Box step, front raise. Rest one. Front raise. Rest one. Change sides. I know. Out to the side. Four more. 4, 3, 2, and then mambo for 4 to the front. The weights go down. 3, 2, across for 4, and the arms just nice release. To the front. Again. Out to the side and back. Change legs out to the front. 2 more. To the corner. Ooh. To the front. To the side and back. Heel digs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Toes up or down. Feel that stretch through the back of the leg. Relax the shoulders. Come all the way out of that. Push back. Good work. Come up, push the heel back. Take the hands away. Change sides. Push the heel back. Excuse me, take the hands away, open out through the chest. You can use the side for a bit of balance if you like. Take a stretch through the front of the thigh. Change that up. And again, whoopsie daisy, feel that stretch. To the back of the arm. And then change. I would like to thank you so very much for joining me for our Latin Vibes new body workout. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of spicy flavour there. Well done.